The 2019 BMW i8 Roadster. The world got its first official look at the production-ready BMW i8 hybrid sports car back in 2013 at the Frankfurt Motor Show. Critics and enthusiasts alike went gaga over its sci-fi good looks while reveling in its promises of speed and efficiency, and consumers responded by buying over 10,000 examples of the i8 as of November of 2016, making it the best-selling plug-in hybrid sports car in the world. Impressive stuff, no doubt, but now there's a new model out, and this time, it's got a bit off the top. This roofless iteration of the Bavarian's hybrid sports car made its debut at the 2017 Los Angeles Auto Show, and brings with it a few small tweaks to the exterior styling, updated tech in the cabin, and a little extra oomph in the electrified powertrain department as well. Overall, the updates are pretty minor, refining what's already there without changing much. And considering the widespread acclaim levied at the i8 in the few short years it's been on the market, it makes sense to keep things more or less unchanged, right? That said, the hybrid and EV market have seen some mighty impressive advances over the course of that time period, which begs the question, can unlimited headroom keep the i8 feeling fresh for the 2019 model year? Updated January 24, 2018, we've updated this review with all the latest official info straight from BMW. Continue reading to learn more about the 2018 BMW i8 Roadster. Exterior. The roof operation is electrically assisted, with less than 16 seconds required to open and close it. Let's just jump straight to the headline, shall we? The biggest, most obvious update for the 2018 model year i8 is the addition of a new Roadster body style, which adds a soft top roof made from high-grade fabric. The roof operation is electrically assisted, with less than 16 seconds required to open and close it. You can also put it up or down at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The top is stored in a perpendicular position in the rear of the car, folding down into a Z shape when you want extra atmosphere. The folding mechanism is also made from aluminum using new 3D printing technology, which goes well with the i8's futuristic themes. This manufacturing method for aluminum components breaks new ground in the automotive industry and allows the topologically optimized bracings to be produced in a geometric form, which would not be possible using conventional casting techniques, and ensures an optimal balance between component rigidity and weight, BMW says. With the roof up, the Roadster has more or less the same similar profile as the coupe, and incorporates the same styling elements. These include a flat hood and a long roofline. It's like an interdimensional speed wedge, complete with a kidney grille in the nose. One notable difference can be found in the rear, where the Roadster gets a pair of bulging, curvaceous pillars that run behind the head rests and into the tail in a U-shaped design. The rear deck is flatter and lower on the Roadster compared to the coupe, undoubtedly to help give it reduced turbulence inside the cabin when the roof is down. Speaking of roof down, the i8 Roadster looks fantastic with the top dropped. It's like an interdimensional speed wedge, complete with a kidney grille in the nose. Speaking of roof down, the i8 Roadster looks fantastic with the top dropped. The swoopy, geometric design elements in the profile are emphasized without the extra bit up top, bringing the whole thing lower to the ground in the process. Indeed, none of the coupe's head-turning capability is lost in the Roadster. In fact, we might go as far as saying the i8 actually looks better as a Roadster. And while it's certainly a tasty bit of eye candy, the i8's exterior design is also rather functional, sporting an aero-optimized layout that helps to strike a balance between performance and efficiency. Standout features include an air flap control system, air curtains in the front apron, a flat underbody, molded side skirts, and air ducts placed between the rear lights and roof frame. Air is now redirected through the sides of the car, rather than through the hood and nose, with the atmosphere venting out close to the wheel arches and through to the underbody. The swoopy, geometric design elements in the profile are emphasized without the extra bit up top, bringing the whole thing lower to the ground in the process. New for the 2018 model year is a fresh selection of exterior colors, which now include shades like E-Copper Metallic and Donington Gray Metallic, both of which are offered with accents in a frozen gray metallic color. The Roadster also comes standard with a unique radial spoke wheel design in a two-tone finish, also available in an optional jet black. These rollers measure in at 20 inches in diameter and are made from a lightweight alloy. In fact, they're so light, each wheel actually shaves off 2.2 pounds compared to the previous i8's alloy rollers. Buyers get 4 additional wheel designs, each also measured at 20 inches for extra customization. And of course, don't forget the requisite Roadster badges to identify the model for anyone left wondering. Interior. The dash layout is a wavy assemblage with multiple layers added in a horizontal fashion, plus a wide center tunnel dividing the left and right seating positions. Just like on the coupe, ingress and egress in the Roadster is aided by a set of attractive gullwing doors, which open up and forward rather than out. Settle into the cockpit, and you'll find seating for 2 passengers, as opposed to the 2+2 layout found in the coupe. Of course, this is due to the extra space needed to put the roof away, leaving the i8 Roadster with rather meager storage space. But that's to be expected, and we're not gonna dock points because the tiny rear bench was tossed. In fact, the Roadster still has a few cubbies scattered around for storage, including a 3.5 cubic foot compartment located between the roof box and the seats, plus a secondary storage space in the rear that provides an additional 4.7 cubic feet. Hit the button to open the roof, and the rear window will automatically rise 1.9 inches to help cut through the wind and direct it towards the rear, enhancing cabin comfort while reducing turbulence. The driver can tweak the rear window height to better control the airflow as desired. The dash layout is a wavy assemblage with multiple layers added in a horizontal fashion, plus a wide center tunnel dividing the left and right seating positions. Standard spec for the cabin includes a sports steering wheel that's wrapped in leather and mounted shift paddles for semi-manual gear changes. Behind the wheel is a multi-function instrument display, plus there are standard heated seats with fully electric adjustments. The dash layout is a wavy assemblage with multiple layers added in a horizontal fashion, plus a wide center tunnel dividing the left and right seating positions. Customers will enjoy the Giga interior trim, plus the full leather upholstery finished in an ivory white and black double color scheme. You can also get the Giga interior trim in dark amido. Further options include the Halo trim with cloth and leather upholstery in a Caram and Dalbergia color scheme, and a new Terra World copper trim with cloth and leather upholstery in an amido and e-copper color combo. Overall, we think the two-tone options work quite well with the layout and design. But of course, as you might expect for a spacey hybrid sports car, the infotainment features list is extensive, and includes a host of features from BMW Connected Drive, and 360 Electric. Kicking it off is an 8.8-inch freestanding display, while Navigation System Professional and Driving Assistant both come as standard equipment. Running it all is the iDrive 6.0 operating system, with inputs made by the touch controller rotary knob located in the center console. Infotainment navigation is achieved with a tile-like presentation for the various apps and features. As you might expect for a spacey hybrid sports car, the infotainment features list is extensive, and includes a host of features from BMW Connected Drive, and 360 Electric. Behind the steering wheel is a set of fully digital multi-function gauges. These will actually change their appearance depending on the mode selected. For example, Sport mode is set in an orange tint with round dials, while Comfort offers up a blue power meter display, and Eco Pro includes an efficiency gauge.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.